Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I have an Artist Loft stretched 10 by 20 inch canvas that I've pre-primed with Mead and Black paint, gloss, same as this. And I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to start in the weirdest way possible. I do know that I want to swipe. This is DecoArt White Pearl. This is DecoArt 24 karat gold. And I'm going to put some puddles of that down. I have quite a bit of pink diamond, so I'm going to use things that it was open a second ago. There, it's still open. It's just not as open as I want it to be. So I'm going to put pink diamond, what I can get out of it. That's unfortunate. We'll just use something else. There's periwinkle. That'll help. Anything that's open and flowing will probably help at this point. This is Rhapsody Rose. That is Tickled Pink. This is a Red Violet. I just did a painting and all my bottles have just decided to be problematic. I might use some silver. That is Frozen. This is Cerulean Blue. This is Midnight Shadow. This is my Dancing Fuchsia again. I'm going to throw a little silver in like I said. Got Whispering Wisteria. Throw a little orange in here. Oh, I've got jasmine too. I think I need some more orange or orange-alike. I have saffron. Got amethyst. I think I want some turquoise. I'm looking for the Royal Sapphire, not seeing it, and there it is. Oh, I'm going to like that. I hope. Oh, it occurs to me, I've got some color shifting turquoise from Folk Art that I haven't even really spent any time using. And I kind of want some green. Now, cell activator. I could do white. I could do Dancing Fuchsia. I could do Amsterdam White. I could do... I'm using my small OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula from Good Grips. And whatever happens to this, we'll figure it out. This is Atelier Cobalt Turquoise. And I'm going to add some Dancing Fuchsia to it. And I guess some white as well. Well, I like that fine. And we'll have to be moving on. I wish I had a blue. I probably do have a blue. I just haven't used it in so long I don't know if it works anymore or not. I know, we can test it. Oh, it works well. Really well. I don't know what it is though. I made it out of something. I do not remember. And no, I don't mind if I'm dribbling. I kind of want to take one of my silicone brushes . If I had a transfer pan of colors, I'd probably transfer something over this. But right now, I just want dancing fuchsia and some white before I try and figure out what's next. I think a little more dancing fuchsia right in there. Well, that's interesting. Just using the paint around the edges, I see a filament. So I'm going to do a little more dancing fuchsia. Oh, it's still there. Looks like a cat hair. I wasn't sure how this would work, and I'm still not sure how it's going to work. But it's kind of cool. I mean, it's not all bad, whatever it is. And I could drag things through it, but I'm not sure it deserves that yet, that it needs that. But I really just want to play. So here's my nail art tool. Got nice cells. Kind of like that. Hopefully my head isn't blocking everything. I always wanted to do this. Not so much that. I keep thinking I want to drag something through, but it better be a comb if it's going to be anything. and I have one handy. Nope, that did not help. I had a playing card that would have made a great swipe card. I mean, I had some nice cells, but I wasn't really so fond of them that I felt like I was losing anything by giving them up. Yep, that's white cell activator. Oh well, I'll just keep playing. Happy to see my purple cell activator is working again, because it wasn't when I mixed it. It's dioxazine purple. I have some heavy iridescent blue-green that I think might look nice in here. I think there needs to be something in here. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linktree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.